Can I add more members to my Spotify family plan?
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common question many Spotify family plan subscribers have. Can I add more members to my Spotify family plan? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear answer.
What is the Spotify family plan?
The Spotify Family Plan is a premium subscription service offered by Spotify that allows multiple members of the same household to have their own personalized Spotify accounts, all under one billing agreement. It's perfect for families who want to enjoy their music without mixing up their playlists and preferences.
How many members can I add?
As of my last update in 2021, the Spotify Family Plan allows up to 6 account holders. This includes the main account holder, or the bill payer, plus 5 other members. This means that if you currently have less than 6 members on your family plan, yes, you can add more until you reach this limit.
How to add more members?
To add a member, 1. Log in to your Spotify account. 2. Go to the Account page. 3. Navigate to the Premium Family section. 4. Click on Invite a Member or a similar option. 5. Follow the instructions to send an invitation link to the new member. Remember, members must reside at the same address as the main account holder to be eligible for the family plan.
What if I need to add more than 6 members?
If you have a larger household and need more than 6 accounts, unfortunately, Spotify does not currently offer a plan that supports more than 6 members. You would have to purchase another subscription or explore other streaming services that might offer larger family plans. There you have it. The Spotify Family Plan is a great option for families to enjoy their own personalized music experience. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Hope this video has been helpful and happy listening.